Hello Galaxy of Intellects. In today's video, I'll be discussing about a very important topic, how to make a good first impression, so stay tuned. Upon first impression, a wise man once quoted, and I quote, "First impressions are lasting. Give special thought to your dress, your grooming and your accessories." End quote. First impressions. In less than 1/10 of a second of seeing someone for the very first time, our brains start processing information about the new person's face, which leads to quick conclusion about an acquaintance quality, including trustworthiness, honesty, and morality. Point number 2. Know your context. It is important to first consider where you're trying to make your good impression, whether it's a formal job interview or a dinner date. Context matters. It gives you cues as to how you should look, speak, and behave in a way that matches the settings you are entering to. This is a key aspect of making a good impression. Point number 3. Adjust your attitude. Try not to look bored, rude, or hostile. A useful attitude is always enthusiastic, curious, and welcoming. Smile. Make eye contact long enough to notice that color of person's eye and sit without crossing your arms and legs. This projects a positive, open, and warm impression. Point number 4. Search for common ground. We tend to like people who are a little bit similar to us. So, start with shared environments such as commenting on the weather or something that you notice in your surroundings. Then, move to facts like the reason of your gathering or the recent news story. You are likely to find something that you both connect with. Point number 5. Shift the focus from yourself to others. People always remember how you make them feel. Taking the focus of yourself and putting it to someone else can help others perceive you in a better light. Make someone feel appreciated. Find a point of commonality to bond over or share something interesting that you have learned. Before proceeding to the next point, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you get notified. Point number 6. Get a good night's sleep. While appearing overly fatigued might not be an accurate portrayal of who you are, as it can adversely contribute to people's first impression of you. And multiple studies suggest that poor sleep can lead others to perceive you as less smart, less attractive, less healthy, and more depressed. Point number 7. Be genuine. If you're constantly worried about whether or not you're doing or saying the right thing, you might appear insincere or too strategic. And if the nerves are getting the best of you, but the surroundings allow you to condone, admitting to your nerves can help you showcase the real you and can be used to your advantage. So before parting ways, if you liked watching this video, hit the like button and also share this video for good karma. Thank you.